Hey there, I'm Andrei from SimpleNet, and in today's video, I'll show you how to create a pricing table in WordPress using the block editor. Let's dive in. Let's build a pricing table. First, we're gonna add a grid. We're gonna set the width, the wide, minimum column width. Let's make that 250 pixels. Save. Okay. In here, we're going to add a group. And in the group, we're adding a heading. Let's add the price. And then a description. And then a list of features. And then a button. Okay. Now, this group, we'll duplicate it. Let's say 4 times. Okay, let's see how the page looks. Okay, now this is very simple, very minimalist, so let's customize it a little bit. Okay, let's change the names. These are the names of the packages. Let's say 5, 10, 15, 25. Perfect for starters. Ideal for personal projects. Excellent for professionals. And great for business. Okay. Now we can start to customize these groups. Now select the first group, go to styles. Let's see, maybe we can have this border. Also we need some padding. Okay, now the list, make the list with a check mark. Okay, we can also make the button 100%. Okay, now we can repeat this for the other groups. Okay, now we have a pricing table. We should put some links. You select the button and click the link here. You can link it to the package. You can do this for everyone. I'm gonna just I'm gonna do this for the demo, so I'm not gonna put an actual link here. Okay. Okay, so this is simple and quite minimalist. We can do some more customization. For example, the pricing, we can make it bigger, right? But not the per month text. We should separate these and select the two paragraphs and make a row. In this paragraph, make it the default. Let's save and see. Now we have this, but we need to better align the paragraphs. Okay, let's see. Row align bottom. Save. Okay, we need to make this spacing a bit smaller. So the row is selected. We go to styles and go to block spacing. We click here to set it to none. Let's see. Okay. Maybe set it to 5 pixels. Okay. We can even set this to small, make it even smaller. Let's see. I think we might need to set the line height. No. You see, we can move. It has moved up. Okay, so we've moved this text a bit upwards. Looks better. Let's reset the size. I think it's too small. Okay. You can also add here a separator. Let's make it wide and gray. Okay. This looks pretty good. Let's do the same for the others. Okay, let's play. Okay. You know, we can also take this row and copy it and just replace this here and just change pricing. Right, so This goes a lot faster than doing it manually. The same with the separator, you can copy the separator and insert it here, paste, and save. Now we have a better looking pricing table. Right, we can also maybe do this. You can customize the pricing table to your liking. And that's it. That's how easy you can build a pricing table using the native blocks in the WordPress editor. Now let's try something different, a different style altogether. Let's select the grid. Let's add some background to it. Save. Okay. Let's add some padding. Okay. And let's make the corners rounded. Pixels. Now the styles of these groups. We have set the style tree, which is a default style. Let's get back to the default. Right, and this, you can also change this. Let's do a manual styling instead of these default styles. So we can set the background to this darker gray. Let's add some rounded corners. Scroll down to border and shadow. Here at radius, let's put 8 pixels and save. Well, this will work, I think, better with only 2 or 3 columns. So maybe if we delete some of these groups and make the width of the columns larger. Let's make it 350. Okay. Here, this separator. Let's make it darker. Okay. See, so now we have a different style for the pricing table, and that's it. You can do further customization if you like. You can see how easy it is to customize it. Okay, we can make it 2 columns. If we select this middle group and delete it, we only have 2 columns. We also need to make the width of the grid, let's say 450, and save. Now we have a 2-column pricing table. We might want a lot more padding here. Let's see. Well, that's a bit much. Let's go to lower settings. Okay. Now these features, you can do them differently, not with a list. Okay, so let's change them to a paragraph, and we can make them as rows. Let's add an icon from the icon library. Let's put this arrow right. Okay, so this icon, let's duplicate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, another one. Okay, we can move them. Okay, so now it's icon feature, and we can select them 2 by 2 and make rows. Okay, let's save and see how it looks. It's too big. Okay, we can make this smaller, 24 pixels. Okay, we can also change the color. So you select it, go to styles, icon color, and select the color. And save. Okay. Now let's make this spacing smaller. Okay, so these rows, we need to select them all and make a group or a stack. And with the stack selected, go to styles, click on block spacing. Now we've set it at none. Let's save. Okay, if we need to make it a little bigger, let's put 5 pixels. Let's see, it looks okay. You can also change the icon here. By the way, in order to add this icon block, you need a plugin. So it's the icon block by Nick Diego. You need to install and activate this plugin before you can add the icon block. This icon block. Okay, so you can also change this icon. Click on replace, browse icon library, and you have this library that's integrated with the plugin, the icon block plugin. You can put this as chevron right. No, this looks good. You can also click it, Command C to copy it, then click the next one, Command V to paste, 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 and paste. So you can replace them easily. You can also put some custom SVG here. Like if you click replace, you can go to add, edit, custom icon. And here you can paste the SVG code. For example, let's go to hero icons, and we have these icons. We can click on copy SVG. Let's find some, I don't know, this one. Click on copy SVG, and then here paste. No, I didn't copy it. Copy and paste. And now click Insert Custom Icon. Now you can see it doesn't display well, so we need to go to Styles and uncheck this Apply Icon Color to Fill. Okay, and now it displays correctly. Right, so you can use any icon that you want here. I like this one, so I'm gonna keep this one. So this is it. This is how you can create and customize a pricing table in WordPress using the native block editor with native blocks and some custom block like the icon block. But you don't need a fancy page builder. You can do it very easily with the native blocks, as you can see. That's it. Now you know how to create a pricing table in WordPress using just the block editor. No page builders are necessary. It's simple, lightweight, and effective. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See ya.